Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to turn on personalized ads in Roblox mobile settings. If you want Roblox to show ads that match your interests, favorite games, or in-game activities, you can turn on personalized ads in the mobile app. This helps make the ads you see more relevant and less random, giving you a better overall experience. First, open the Roblox app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to update. Now, tap on More from the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open your account settings and options menu. Here, scroll down and tap on Settings. You'll see all the account privacy and game-related settings. After that, tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. This is where Roblox allows you to control what content you see and what data is used for ads. Next, under this menu, select Ads Preferences. This is where you can enable or disable personalized ads for your account. Now, turn the toggle on for Personalize Your Ads. Keep in mind that this option is only available if you're 16 years or older, as Roblox restricts personalized ad features for younger users. Once enabled, Roblox will start using your gameplay data, favorite games, and interests to show you ads that are more relevant to you. For example, if you play adventure games a lot, you might see more ads for similar games or in-game items that match your interests. Then you can check and adjust this setting anytime. If you decide later that you'd rather see general ads instead, simply return to the Ads Preferences menu and switch the toggle off. This will stop Roblox from using your gameplay data to personalize ads, and you'll see standard ads instead. Finally, enabling personalized ads doesn't change your privacy settings, it just helps Roblox show ads that are more useful and less random while keeping your account safe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.